Evaluation. No? Before that, I'd just like to flash to you this. Okay? So thank you kay nilang Brother Nelson and Sister Janet sa ilang songs. And music is one of the highest arts. No? Good music not only gives us pleasure but elevates our minds and cultivates our finest culture qualities. God often uses spiritual songs to touch the hearts of sinners and lead to repentance. On the contrary, debased music breaks down morality and draws us away from our relationship with God. You may wonder, ano nabutan mo na niya dahil niya? Naman ko church manual dire. So ako hindi ko tikas church manual, ako may paste dire sa first slide. So it's really amazing the church manual. And thank you, I've been blessed by that music. Aren't you? Aren't you? Words nga, sacrifice on Calvary. Ay, hindi sila dyan. So, para may kaigsunan, let's talk about appraisal. Appraisal. Kita may mga